Hello again, Tony. Can you see my screen?
Hello again, teacher.
Yeah, can you see teacher's screen?
Yes.
Okay, so again, you're very good in answering this because you were able to get perfect score. Now here, Tony, mover's tip, adding adjectives like tired, hungry, with me, angry, and adverbs like quickly, slowly to the stories makes them a lot more exciting. With me, yeah. Yeah, exciting and interesting. You should use them when you tell stories to get good marks. So yesterday, we had a discussion already about adjectives and adverbs. So I have here questions for you. Tony, can you swim under the water?
Yes, I can.
Oh, at what age did you start swimming?
Yes.
What age did you start learning how to swim?
What is the state?
Ah, learning. What age? Are you 2 years old, 3 years old that you start swimming?
2 years old.
Hmm, very young. Who taught
Oh,
you to
no, no,
swim?
no. 7 years old.
Oh, 7 years old. Now here, how about this one? Are you good at running, Tony?
Yes,
How do you run? Can you run slowly or fast?
I'm run very fast.
Oh,
Like
run.
this. Meow.
Like turbo. Okay, here. This one, Tony. Can you cook rice? Do you
I
know how
can
to
cook
cook?
rice, but I can't cook noodles.
Oh, who taught you how to cook rice, Tony? Who taught you?
I'm learning.
I learned it
I,
with
uh, I'm learning with
your
no,
with your
my
mom.
Mother.
Mother. Okay, now here, how about this time or today? Did you, oh, Tony, were you the one who cook rice every day?
What?
Are you the one who cook rice in the house?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, you're really a big boy because you're helping
But
already. But
I can't cook rice in the house because I'm learning English and math.
oh, so because you are
I'm
studying,
very busy.
oh, wow, a busy person. So because you were busy, that's why you don't have the time to cook rice. But if you are not busy, do you cook when you're not busy?
What?
If you are not busy, do you cook?
No,
No,
I'm
also?
busy
No,
every day.
every day busy. Wow, you are busy learning and studying. That makes you smart, boy. Oh, how about this one, Tony? Do you eat slowly or quickly?
I eat slowly.
Why do we have to eat slowly, not so fast, not so quick?
Mm, because w- when I eat quickly, I'm like this.
You're choking. We call it in English choke. Yeah,
So
yeah, choking. You do like that. That's
it's
what
so dangerous.
yeah, dangerous. There, Tony, there were kids who died because they were choked of something or some food which is not good for them, like kids with 2 years old, 3 years old. They accidentally ate their small toys. That's why smaller toys or tiny toys are not advisable for them to play because it's dangerous that they will choke and they cannot breathe and they're gonna die. Okay? That's why we have to eat slowly so that we won't be able to choke. Okay, here. Tony, can you clap really loudly?
Yes, I can.
Can you show me?
Yes, this.
All right. Okay. Clapping is just very easy. Now here, Tony, are you good at counting in English? Do you know how to count numbers using English?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
More. 11,
11, 12, 13, 14, 16,
15,
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 13.
Okay. Oh, I can see that you are fast in counting numbers using English language. Oh, see, we finished already this lesson because we
Yay!
done. We still have time. This was the lesson that we had last time, so we just finished.
I want more lessons.
Yeah, there's still more. We are now here at Unit 30. Okay. Anthony, what is Unit 30 all about?
About me.
Yeah, let's
Yes.
talk about.
About me again.
Okay, yes. Now, Tony, imagine.
Oh, no.
Okay, use your imagination. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, use your imagination to the question. Tony, this is Bill. Tony, from what you see here, how old do you think is Bill?
I think he is 8 years old.
Okay, you think he's 8 years old. And how tall is he?
How tall is what? I don't
Tall.
understand.
Tall. Is it 5 meters? 1 meter? Tall. How tall is he? Taller than you, Tony,
I
or
think
shorter than you?
he is.
Let's compare it to you, Tony. Is Bill taller than you or shorter than you?
113 minutes.
What minutes? Taller than you?
Centimeter.
Centimeters. Okay, centimeters. Oh, you were able, you are measuring it properly? Okay. Now here, Tony. Here, where do you think does he live?
I think he lives in a flat.
In a flat. And how does he go to school?
I think he go to school by
By
bike.
bike. All right. So you think that he's going to school by bike, he's riding a bicycle. Okay, so Tony, listen. Okay, listen here. I want you to listen and take the question that Miss White asked. Okay, can you see here? There are 12 questions. I want you to listen
12.
carefully. Yeah, there are 12 questions. And can you see those small boxes before the number? Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You put a tick in the small box if you hear the question from the audio. If you don't hear it, Tony, if it's not in the audio, don't put a tick. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Ready, set,
Okay.
go.
All right, so done. Here we go.
30A. About me. Listen and write.
Hello, my name's Miss White. I work here at the library.
Hello, my name's Bill.
Well, Bill, can I ask you some questions about your home and hobbies, please?
All right.
First, How many brothers and sisters have you got?
3.
3?
Yes. I've got 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Thank you. Now, where do you do your homework?
I come here to the library with my cousin after school.
Do you come here often?
Yes. We try and do all our homework at the library.
That's good. Now, 2 questions about the things you like.
Okay. What do you want to know?
What's your favorite color?
That's easy. I love purple.
Purple. Okay. Another question about things you like. What's your favorite film?
My favorite film. Oh, I know. Terrible Monsters.
Terrible Monsters. I don't know that one.
It's great.
Now for one last question. What about swimming? Can you swim?
Oh, yes. I'm good at swimming.
Are you?
Yes. I go to the swimming pool every Friday.
Well, thank you for answering my questions. Goodbye, Bill.
Bye.
I'm done.
Okay, so now, Tony, are you now ready to check your answers?
Yes.
All right, before that, could you please read to me first what are the questions that
How
you
many
heard?
brothers and sisters have you got? What's your favorite color? Where do you do your homework? What's your favorite film? Can you swim?
Okay, so here we go. So here you were able to check or to put a tick on 5 questions, okay? So here, Tony, let's check your answer first. We have there, very good. Number 1, how many brothers and sisters have you got? 2, where where do you do your homework? That's correct. 3rd, we have, what's your favorite color is also correct. Next, what's your favorite film is correct too. And lastly, can you swim? Very good, Tony. You listened well. That's why you were able to put a tick on the questions asked from the given audio. Great work, Tony. Okay, so there you go. All right, so sorry. Now here, Tony, let's try to do mover's tip. In speaking, you can produce more than 1-word answers, so we'll get more marks. You should practice at answering lots of questions, include more than 1 piece of information, and your answers will help you develop your fluency. Now here, Tony, I have here a tip. This is a mover's tip. So if you are asked to answer a question, you are going to explain also your answer, all right? Let's say, for example, the question is asking about yes or no. So, Tony, aside from the answer yes or no, you have to explain why the answer is yes, why the answer is no. If you keep on doing that, Tony, it will help you develop your fluency. You are able to develop your English speaking skills. All right? It's a one way on practicing you on how to do it, okay? Or on how to say or to speak English. Now, Tony, how old are you now, Tony? How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
I'm 8 years old. How many brothers and sisters have you got?
I have
I've got
I've got 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Okay, You've got 2 brothers and 1 sister. Now here, Tony, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Yellow. Or is it yellow only?
Yes,
Yes,
yeah,
only yellow. Now here, Tony,
only
how
yellow.
often do you see your friends?
I often see my friends
How often?
in the library.
Is it every day, every other day, every weekend, every
No,
weekday?
often.
Often. How's often? How many days in a week do you see your friends?
Mm,
5 days a week?
5, yes.
Oh, 5 days a week. I think that's school day. Okay, here, Tony. Who do you sit next to in your class? Who's
I
beside
sit
you?
next to I'm in class.
Ah, what's the name?
I'm
Ah, is it a girl or a boy?
is a girl.
It's a girl. Oh, is she pretty? Is your
Mm,
classmate pretty?
yes.
Yeah. Wow. Here you have a pretty classmate. Now here, Tony, how many lessons do you have?
Mm,
Come on. How many
7.
lessons? 7 lessons. Okay. Tony, how do you come to school?
Come to school.
Yeah,
I come to school by my bike.
by bicycle. Oh, who do you go there with? Do you go to school alone or you have someone
I go to school with my friend Wu.
with your friend? Okay, that's good. You're still having fun while going to school. Now, Tony, where do you do your homework?
I do my homework in my bedroom.
In my bedroom. Okay. Which is your favorite school day?
My favorite school day is Children's Day.
Again? Come again?
It's Children's Day.
What's Students' Day? Can you write?
Yes.
Okay, so I can clearly understand. Where is it? How do you spell it, Tony?
Yeah.
How do you spell the word?
Mm, C H.
Children's Day? That's your
Yes.
favorite day? No, favorite day in the school means Monday to Sunday. What day is your favorite?
Oh. It's hmm, let me see.
Okay.
Yes, I know.
What is it?
Thursday and Friday.
Why Thursday and Friday?
They are my favorite day.
Oh, that's your favorite day. And here, Tony, what's your favorite film too?
My favorite film is Tom and Jerry.
Why do you chose Tom and Jerry?
Mẹ ơi, máy cái điện pin.
Come on, Tony. Why you like Tom and Jerry? Because
Because it is funny.
It's funny. Yeah, me too. I find it funny too. Okay, here.
And Jerry is small, but
Yeah.
Jerry is pretty.
Because Jerry is the mouse. That's why it's small, while Tom is a cat. Okay, now here, Tony, 11th question. Do you like music?
What?
Do you like music?
Yes, I like.
Yes, I do. Next,
Yes,
can
I
you
do.
swim?
Yes, I can.
All right, so I will not ask you to expand about swimming because I asked you already about swimming before we start our lesson. All right. So Tony, I think we will end there already because it's already time. All right. So Tony, congratulations for today or for tonight because you did great again. That's so good of you. You were able to answer all the questions being asked correctly. Okay. So Tony, that would be all for today. Thank you for coming in today's class and goodbye, Tony.
Goodbye.
All right. See you next time.
Yay.
Bye-bye.
Go.